So I'm standing here with Michael White from IGX Solutions. We're here at iGraphics Innovate, and we've been discussing how there's certainly challenges with implementations that happen within organizations when they start thinking about automation. A lot of people come at this, as we were talking, with layers, right? Talking about implementing sort of a BPM solution, implementing maybe an architecture, identifying maybe some strategy, and then coming at it from, and looking at it. But you guys have a different approach to that. Explain that to me.
Yeah, sure. So fundamentally, as you say, taking the layered approach, that takes quite a bit of time to actually build those layers. And of course, while you're actually building those layers, things are changing in the organization.
That's true.
Right? And as you build those layers, you're not actually really delivering business value. You know you're going to deliver business value, but you're not actually delivering business value. So the approach we take is slightly different in that we take a view of doing a thin, deep slice. So let me explain that. So what we're doing is we're creating effectively a miniature series of those layers,
Okay.
building from the PCF, building the repository, things like the strategies, the goals, objectives, KRAs, reporting, dashboarding, etc., all the way through to actually the automation side. And the reason we do that is we want to be able to demonstrate to that organization the full value that you can achieve with iGraphics. That's not to say we're going to use all of it straight away, right?
Right.
That's too much. But the capability, because what you need to do is you need to be able to showcase in terms of that organization what can be achieved. Not a case from another organization, look what somebody else did, look what you did.
Right.
Then you can take that and then take it around the various different stakeholders and then get the buy-in for another deep slice and then another deep slice. So what you're doing is you're effectively building the layers a slice at a time. So do you know where you do that? You build it in iGraphics.
There we go.
But that's the way you get to value.
Showing
Quickly.
value. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Shane. Glad you guys could be here.